Inhlangano i-Operation Dudula kanye nabazali bakhala ngokuthi iningi labafundi alitholanga izikhala ngenxa yokugcwala kwabokufika ezikoleni zakuleli.
One of the biggest challenges that we have is our children not getting spaces at schools, at various schools, because of one of the main reason is the illegal immigrant children that are occupying space in our public schools.
Umnyango wezemfundo uthi wonke umfundi okuleli kungakhathalekile ukuthi uvela kuliphi izwe kufanele anikwe isikhala ezikoleni. Umnyango uyaphika ukuthi uhlelo lokubhalisa izingane nge-internet alusebenzi ngendlela efanele njengoba kukhona abafundi abangakwazanga ukungena ezikoleni namhlanje ngosuku lokuqala lokufunda luka-2026.
We were here to assist to make sure that the process is seamless for parents, just to allay their fears and assure them that all of them, they will be attended. Though some, they left unhappy, but it's the challenges that we are facing, that of lack of capacity, not the system.
Umabona uthi akusilo iqiniso ukuthi abafundi bajikisiwe ezikoleni sebeyitholile indawo, kepha uthi abazali bakhale ngezikole ezikhokhisayo nokubangwe ukungalaneleli kwabo ukuze bathole ukuthi izikole abathathwe kuzo ziyakhokhisa noma cha.
Some are not happy because they can't pay fees. They said they want the no-fee paying schools. Some, they can afford to pay fees, but they want the lesser fees, which is going back to parental responsibility. I mean, they should have went to schools and checked the fees of the schools before they apply.
Umnyango uthi useyinhlelweni zokuvula ezinye izikole ukuze zikwazi ukuthatha abanye abafundi.
We are providing infrastructure. We are opening schools. You will see this year there's 3-4 schools that we are launching, which they will alleviate a lot of pressure from us.
Umabona uthi abazali abasafuna izikhala ezikoleni kuzofanele balinde izinsuku eziyishumi ukuze izikole zizokwazi ukubona ukuthi yibaphi abafundi abangezukubuya kulonyaka ukuze kuvuleke izikhala.